Welcome back to Summarize Science. Growing crops like tomatoes in controlled environments like greenhouses is a great way to produce food efficiently, but it comes with a major challenge: pollination. Without natural wind and with restrictions on using pollinators like bumblebees, the job often falls to human workers. This manual work is slow, labor-intensive, and very expensive, which is why researchers are developing robots to automate the task. But this new system is far more than just a simple shaking machine. It's an intelligent framework designed for precision and safety. The process begins with the robot using an advanced RGBD camera, which captures both color and depth, to scan the plant from multiple viewpoints. From this data, it constructs a complete 3D point cloud model of the entire plant structure. The system then analyzes this model to extract a simplified 3D skeleton, identifying the main stem and all the major branches. This digital skeleton acts as a roadmap, allowing the robot to identify the best possible grasp point on the main stem. Crucially, it also calculates a collision-free approach path, ensuring the gripper won't bump into any leaves or other obstacles on its way in. Now for the most innovative part. The robot doesn't just guess how to shake the plant. Before it even moves, it uses that digital skeleton to run a sophisticated physics simulation. This discrete elastic rod model accurately predicts how vibrations will travel from the stem to the flowers and how the entire plant will move. By running this simulation, the system can test different shaking frequencies and amplitudes virtually to find the optimal parameters. The goal is to find the perfect sweet spot that maximizes pollen release while guaranteeing the delicate flowers and stems are not damaged. Once the optimal strategy is calculated, the robot arm, fitted with a soft gripper, carefully executes the plan. It follows the predetermined path, gently grasps the stem, and applies the precisely optimized shaking motion. So, how well did this complex system perform in the real world? The researchers conducted 40 end-to-end trials on 10 different pepper and tomato plants with diverse shapes and sizes. The results were fantastic, with the robot achieving an impressive 92.5% success rate in correctly grasping the main stem. This high success rate highlights the robustness of the 3D skeletonization and collision-aware planning. The few failures were minor, caused by the robot either grabbing a nearby side branch or receiving a command to move to a pose that was physically unreachable. To recap the key points, this is the first robotic system to jointly integrate vision-guided grasping with physics-based vibration modeling for automated pollination. It creates a 3D digital skeleton to find a safe grasp point and then runs a simulation to determine the most effective, non-damaging way to shake the plant. The high grasping success rate proves this model-driven approach is not only feasible but also highly effective. This technology provides a clear pathway toward more efficient and reliable robotic pollination, which could lower costs and increase yields in greenhouse farming. Ultimately, innovations like this are crucial for building a more sustainable future for food production.